Hello, this is my face. Okay, so sitting at 11 days out from the show, gonna find out today from the promoters if they're able to find a venue or not, but I'm gonna look on the bright side and assume that they're going to. So today I'm going down to Guelph, gonna get a fade from my favorite barber, Liam, and then gonna train with my coach later tonight and also do some posing. So gonna film the whole thing, and I got 2 new clients yesterday, so I'm gonna make their programs, 2 people in the States. Very excited about that as well. But anyway, driving down to Guelph now, and I'll check in with you guys when I get there. Let's go. What's good? All right, so arrived at Lee's house. He's just upstairs getting his kit ready. But here's the before. Relatively long, putting in a low fade. I'm thinking, yeah, just like a super low fade, because obviously having no beard is gonna look a little bit different. So okay, I'll let you work your creative control. But yeah, low fade to the top, kind of long base, like a back. All right, just got back from getting a fade, so here's what it looks like. Let me know what you think. I always say Lee does the best job. He's been cutting my hair for a long time, and I got a very big head, a big canvas to work with, so I always trust that he is gonna do it better than anybody else. So got the fade. Now I'm just getting in a bunch of carbs, a bunch of water before the big leg day with the coach tonight. Finished up my 2 clientele programs. So what that means for them, if someone wants to learn a bit more about what I can do, I sent them both a questionnaire to kind of get a better understanding of their current lifestyle as well as athletic history and a bunch of other questions. From that, I will then design a custom program based on the specific goals they have. So the wife is looking to cut a little bit of weight. The husband is looking to gain some strength. So obviously they're gonna have different programs. With that, I'm gonna update it every single week. I'm gonna check in with them. I'm gonna kind of get them an update. It's an automated email that they will receive for me to get a better idea of how the week went, how their adherence to the program was, any results that they may have gotten so far, as well as a weight and photo front and back facing update from them. And I'll take that information and then I'll revise their program based on how their body's responding so that every week we can try to make their progress as efficient as possible. Now, if you are looking to get some more nutrition training advice, a little bit of coaching, whatever may have you, visit sharpclients.com and we will get you started. But otherwise, I'm gonna continue cutting up these videos and getting ready for the big leg day tonight. Oh my God. Okay, so update. The show was going to be the following weekend, not the 17th as it was originally planned, but the weekend after that. It's 5 p.m. on Tuesday. I just found out that the show is not only on, but it's in 5 days this Saturday. Let's go! Woo! I just took pre-workout, but I'm very fired up. Okay, so I'm gonna get the work in with the coach here. Gonna go over the posing, essentially do everything in preparation for the show. But boy, what a relief. 6 months of prep, and I actually get to present the package that I put together. Fucking hell yeah, brother! I might not post this, but I'm so fired up. I feel fucking awesome. Anyway, see you in a bit. Here's the gym for the day. There's big thickness over there. All right, so we're here with IFBB Pro Eiren Gauley. When is the show?
Your show apparently going to be happening this weekend now. They just released the show date again. So it's going to be happening in Burlington.
Yeah.
And this is Sam's last leg day before show day.
Fantastic. Beautiful. Come on. Yes, sir.
To like wherever, once you step into your spot, I'll set the time. Okay. It's 30 seconds. So you know, you're giving an idea what you're gonna do for 30 seconds?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
Go ahead. All right, finished the leg training and I feel like death, but meeting up with my buddy here. Jordan's coming out, absolutely blessing me with a pair of physique shorts. So nice of him. All right, I have yet to try these on, but big shout out to Jordan. I'm gonna tag him. So I got two different pairs, both a 30 waist. I'm gonna hope these fit. I will try them on and get back to you and him, but bless this man for hooking me up, needed it. That's awesome, I love it. I'll check in again soon. Driving back to Toronto now.